Hi, this is Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized. Hi, welcome to Get Veganized. I am Chef Bugsy and today we're going to make banana flatbread. It's kind of a dessert type of flatbread. I think you're going to like it. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I've got several bananas here. I'm going to peel them and cut them up. Alright, now I'm going to cut them up and make it easier to mash up. Because once they're finished being mashed, I'm going to add some flour, make it into a dough. Then we're going to fry it in the frying pan. Now I'm going to add the bananas to some flour and form a dough. And we add flour. Keep adding flour until it forms a ball. It's almost ready. Has to be less sticky. And if you find that it gets too floury, you can also add more banana to it to bring it to the right consistency. Now we want to put a little flour on the board here so it doesn't stick. We can roll this out. Now today I'm going to make some smaller breads, more like wafers for my banana ice cream recipe. This is about the thickness that I want. That's why I rolled it out and then I rolled it again and stamped it twice. Now I'll put this into the frying pan. And I hope to make quite a few of these little wafers. They're actually breads. They're not wafers. Okay, here they are in the frying pan, cooking. And here's some on the plate. Okay, we're back with Get Veganized. This is Chef Bugsy and I'm done with the banana flatbread. This is what it looks like. I've eaten it, bitten into it. And here are the ones that I made. Now I'm going to use these for desserts. We'll see how that goes. This is Chef Bugsy with Get Veganized, and I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Be sure to click below the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.